Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back. In today's video update here for Ethereum Classic, we are trading at $21.74. 24-hour volume, we're down 9%, and market cap, we're up 0.20%. So heading over to our immediate short term for 4 hours, this has just jumped in the last couple of seconds, and I kind of wanted to show you guys in the 4-hour time frame how much of a surge this impulse that we're getting for the buyer side, which is again going to help in retest in the 2-hour or the 1-hour time frame. I'm going to show you just very quickly here. Basically, in order to get a nice reversal in this channel that we have seen for Ethereum Classic, is that we do need to match at least 50% or even higher of the previous red candlestick where essentially we're at right now. So we're seeing that momentum build for the buyers. However, keep in mind our MACD indicator is still below zero, okay? So we are still considered in this bearish market because we are still seeing these bars or these histograms in the red. What I do like is that we are seeing these lighter colors, which are showing us that the momentum is slowing down on that bear market. And when we quickly take a look at the RSI here, we can see our K line itself is angled upwards. And this is something that we do want to see and play out in the next couple of hours, again, in the 4-hour time frame, is to see if the K line is going to cross over in a upward direction and cross above our D line itself. When that initiates, it is going to give us that momentum of a buy signal. So for example, if I'm just going to quickly take out here, this is kind of the same example that we saw. We see the K line cross above our D line itself. We saw the momentum lose as well, and we saw Ethereum Classic shoot up towards our upper trend line here. So if I do kind of just scroll out, we are following this parallel channel dated back on April 13th. So ever since then, we've coming down into this channel, but we can make note that we are holding very aggressively at the support line at 50% at $21.49. If that line does break, then we are looking around the 21.10 to retrace back into the bottom support of our channel. But quickly looking into the 2-hour time frame, again with our RSI here, we could see and initiate that buy opportunity. However, the MACD indicator does show some momentum loss. So just be very cautious in here. And as we are looking into the chart itself, we can ultimately see this resistance line that we are going to be testing in the next couple of hours or so. So if we take a look quickly, we see this inverted hammer at the very bottom here, which is a bit bullish signature candlestick at the very bottom. It shows that strength of the buyers because the body is nearly at the very top here, and we are essentially coming up and retesting this. If we do retest this area here at the $21.79, and if we are able to break above it numerous candlesticks, we are going to come up to our next area of resistance. And really, if we take a look at the 2-hour line, there's not a whole lot of areas of resistance here except for our next Fibonacci chart. But anticipating around this line right here at the $22.26, or ultimately at the very top of our line of our trend line. Quickly taking a look at the 1-hour time frame, again, we are seeing the same result of our RSI, where we see the K line is going upwards in an upwards direction, the D line is coming down and losing momentum on the MACD indicator. So it is showing very promising of retesting this area of resistance. And what we are looking for is the multiple closures of our candlesticks above this line. And we can already trace this line back as an area of support. So we've got that area of support, that area of resistance, support, and then retesting it for an area of resistance. And hopefully we do see that closing of multiple candlesticks above, because it's only going to push this retest of our resistance line. And if we can ultimately, I'm just going to switch over to the 4 hours. And if we can ultimately break through this parallel channel, then this is going to be our next resistance of the $23.13. So that's my quick analysis here that I'm seeing for Ethereum Classic. We do see some momentum slowly dying down, but it does pinpoint down to if Ethereum Classic can break this resistance line. So definitely let me know down below in the comments. Thanks so much for tuning in with me. Like and subscribe down below, but I'll see you next time. Bye.